Hello everyone, this is Chakradhar. Welcome to TT Hub channel. Today we are going to see some of the openings coming up from a very good manpower provider. So they have a lot of opportunities in Hyderabad and as well as different regions of Telangana. So let us see the options. But before to that, I would like to thank all the viewers who are supporting my channel and subscribing and as well as sharing this information to many of the people who are looking for the job. So I request all of you to do the same support and share among many of your friends and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring a lot of companies openings if viewers and as well as subscribers are increasing in our channel. So thank you. Yes, coming down to the openings, InnoSource Services is a best manpower service provider which is recruiting people for many companies, and today they are hiring immediate positions like team leaders, MIS executives, and as well as branch relation executives, back-end telecallers, sales executives. They have a lot of openings in these kind of positions. Okay, so I'll be discussing one by one. I'll be informing you clear details about the requirements, salaries, and all those things one by one position. So please watch entire video so that you will understand the complete requirement, and you can opt or you can suggest your friends in this. So coming down to the first positions, InnoSource is having openings in the sales executives. Sales executives should be a graduate or else intermediate also is fine, but only the thing is you should be a go-getter. If you are enthusiastic to get into the market and as well as meet the people like colleges and as well as petrol bunks, shops, any kind of business area, then it will be best opportunity for you, where your job role will be sales of swiping machines. You should go and explain about the features of swiping machine and as well as sell this so that they can use this swiping machine for the purpose of transactions. So it will be best opportunity for you, and they are offering a salary of 12,000 to 14,000 based on your experience. Apart from this, they have a best opportunity of incentive package. These incentive packages will be based on your sales. So you have a lot of opportunity in gaining more profit in terms of incentives. Apart from that, they have general allowances like ESI, PF, and all that things now. Okay, so here they have these openings under many locations like Banjara Hills, Himayat Nagar, Medchal, Nacharam. Apart from Hyderabad regions, they have district regions also like Bodhan, Adilabad, Sangareddy, Vikarabad, Nagar Karnool, Gadwal, etc. So they have a lot of openings as a salesperson, and they have a good opportunity of working from different locations. So it's a great opportunity so that you can utilize this opportunity. And coming down to the next position, they have MIS executive position. For this, you should be an intermediate or else a graduate. You should be in a position to use Excel and as well as data filtering, sortings, all kind of data operations under that. So if you're good enough in presentations and all that, it will be best opportunity to work under this MS executive position. So for this, they are looking for only males candidates, and the location will be Hyderabad in their office. Coming now to the salary package, 12,000 to 14,000 based on your skills, they'll be offering you a different salary. Then next position, team leader. This team leader should be a background of sales experience. So if you have worked under any sales kind of experience, and or else if you have worked for a bank, it will be best opportunity for you, where here also you need to lead a team of members who will be working under credit card sales. So if you are good enough in such kind of team leading capabilities, it will be best opportunity. Here you should be a graduate minimum, then you should be male, and as well as salary offered for this is 18,000 to 30,000 based on your experience. So you claim your experience and they are ready to offer a good package for you. So, and Hyderabad location will be your job location. Then coming down to next position, branch relationship executives. Branch relationship executives core work will be a credit card sales of a bank, which is a nationalized bank. So if you are ready to work under this credit card sales, it will be best opportunity. You can be from intermediate or else any graduate. Males, females, both are fine for this position. You can be a fresher or you can be an experienced person. Based on your experience and as well as skills, you are going to get a salary offer of 13,000 to 18,000 per month. So apart from this, you will have other allowances also. Coming down to the next position, they have an opening for the backend telecallers. So if you are good enough in telecalling and having minimum experience of 6 months, so 6 months to 2 years experience, female candidates are expected over here. For this telecalling job, you should have very good communication skills in English, Hindi, Telugu. If you have 3 languages, you will be given a preference. If you have any 2 among these 3 languages, you might be offered based on your skill set and all that. Then based on your skills, they will be offering you 11,000 to 14,000 as a salary. For this position, only female candidates are eligible and they are conducting walk-in. So for this walk-in, you need to come down to InnoSource Services Private Limited, which is available at Somajiguda. I am going to provide you the complete address and as well as contact details in the description again, so that you can use that. For your understanding, walk-in location will be InnoSource Services Private Limited, 4th floor, GS Mall building, about Domino's Plaza, Somajiguda Circle, Hyderabad, Telangana. Further, if you have any doubts or else any queries related to these job roles or else company walk-ins, dates and all this appointment, you can contact Mr. Rakesh HR on 9000968043. So this is his contact number. Please take an appointment, walk in and gain a best opportunity. Yeah, I request you to subscribe to my channel if you are visiting for the first time and press bell symbol so that you'll get the notifications for further coming up openings and videos. And I request you to share among your friends and help us in getting more subscribers and views, so that we'll be getting more companies and more opportunities on this, so that we can help many people. Thank you very much. Have a great day.